How you doing? It's Khoa here. In this video, I'm going to be covering how you can install a WordPress website and also Elementor Pro. And the reason why you install WordPress and Elementor Pro is that you can easily create landing pages and set up your website as well. So basically what I'm doing is I'm actually launching a new side hustle. So I'm going to be shooting wedding videos. So that's what I'm going to do every weekend. We'll see what happens. My main objective is just to generate some leads, close some deals, and make some bit of money in the process. Have a bit of fun as well. So first and foremost, I need to come up with a domain name, right? So first of all, I'm going to have a domain name, and so in this video, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to walk you through how I do this. Okay, so let's go. Okay, first and foremost, I am going to register a domain name. So what I do is I go to GoDaddy. All right, so I go to GoDaddy and I look for a domain name that is pretty good. That is pretty good to register. So what I did was I actually just typed in fairy tale weddings. So I really like that, the name fairy tale. So fairy tale weddings. So I think it's just related to it. So I'm not going to register a domain name through here because I've already done it last night. But I'll just show you what I did. Right. So anyway, fairy tale weddings is taken. That was taken by me yesterday. So went and bought it. And so what you do is, if you see it, you just buy it, right? And then it just goes into your account, okay? So what you want to do, you want to search for a particular domain name first, and if it's available, go ahead and buy it. All right, so the next thing you need to do, you need to get an account with HostGator. So I'm currently using HostGator at the moment to do my hosting. The reason why I go with HostGator, I've been using it for years, is because they're very affordable. It's very affordable, and they have everything. So they have a thing called cPanel, which is control panel, and don't be intimidated by this already because it looks like a lot of stuff. But in order for you to set up your hosting, they give you this control panel, and it gives you the ability to completely manage your website. So I won't go through all of this, obviously, but since we've just registered our domain name, you need to hook up that domain name to this one here. So I will go to add-on domain names. Okay, now I already did this last night. So what you want to do is you want to hook it up to your new one. So I call it fairytaleweddings.com.au, and then automatically it'll just fill in the details, right? So don't worry about these messages because I've already done it. And then once you've done that, just click on add domain, and that's it. So what's happened is I've set up my hosting environment to point to this domain name. Okay, now once that's done, okay, so that whole process only takes a few minutes. It's very quick. Next thing you want to do is you want to grab these name servers. So these two name servers is what you need to copy and paste into your domain name. So basically what it's doing is you're telling that new domain name to point to your new hosting environment. Okay, so so I want to go to my domain name. So I go to, I think it was in my products there. Okay, and then what I did was I went to, where is it? Here we go. This is the new domain name that I just purchased. Okay, I think it was manage DNS settings. You go to manage DNS settings because we're going to point our domain name to our web host. Okay, and next thing you need to do, you need to go to name servers. Okay, and you just go change. All right, and I already did this last night, but I'll show you how you can do it for yourself. Okay, now you want to click on I'll use my name servers. Okay, and you want to grab your the name servers of your web host, which is this one here. Copy these two, okay, and you want to paste it here. So paste it there and paste it there, and just go save. All right, and that's it. So that's all it is. You purchase the domain name, you set up your web hosting, okay. You click on add-on domain names, you put in the domain name there, and then you copy and paste the name servers into the domain name here, okay, and you click on save, and that's it. Right now, this is pointing, my domain name fairytaleweddings.com.au is now officially pointing to my HostGator web hosting, and that's it. Okay, so if I go to fairytaleweddings.com.au, okay. Oh yeah, another thing I forgot to mention is okay, so once it's connected, see right now it's connected. Okay, so it's Fairytale Weddings. What you need to do is you're not going to see that screen at the start. It'll probably say something like HostGator and stuff. So the next thing you need to do is once it's connected, you need to just quickly install WordPress. So you go back to your HostGator, go to your control panel, and just go to this Softdelicious app install, right, and click on WordPress. So now we're going to install WordPress. Click on WordPress there, okay, and then go to install. All right, cool. and then you click on install now, and then just fill in the prompts. So at the moment I've got fairytaleweddings.com.au, right? I just put in Fairytale Weddings, which is the domain name. I put in my username, password, and click on install, and it just automatically installs WordPress. The whole process only took me about a few minutes. Okay, and when that was done, that was it. So the domain name is pointing to the web host. I've installed WordPress, and now I'm good to go. The next thing obviously is we need to obviously create a really nice website, right? Because obviously this doesn't look too good, right? So what I did was I went to I just typed in wedding templates, right? And then all these web templates came up. So obviously I want WordPress, okay? And there was just so many that was for offer. So the one that I went for was one that was called that was in Theme Forest. Oh no, sorry, it was in Envato Market, and I bought. I'll show you the one that I bought last night. It was called The Isle. Okay, this one was really good. The reason why I chose this one is because it was mobile responsive, meaning it was already been developed. It looks really nice and clean. This is what it looks like, by the way. Okay. So when you click on it, live preview, see, it looks so nice. They did a lot of work, and it shows that this is the different features that you can set up on the website. So if I go here, okay, let's go for one of these ones. I think it was W Bakery. This is an example of the web page, right? So look at that, beautiful, so nice. Look at that, and these pictures come free with the template. Okay, so all I need to do is just purchase this template and just fill in the blanks, fill in the content pieces there, and it will save me so much time in development. I don't want to code this myself. I can code, but I don't want to do it. I know this will take me too long. So I just spent like the 80 bucks on this one, and I just saved myself 2 months of work. So there you go. So once you've made your purchase, so I went ahead and purchased it, and I downloaded it on my computer. So right now it's in there. It's on my computer, and right now what I need to do is I need to install it here. So I'm going to go to fairytaleweddings.com, WP admin. Okay, to get to the WordPress administration, you go WP-admin at the end of it. Okay, what was the password again? All right, so what we're doing is we're going to the back end of my new domain name. So right now I've set up my WordPress, fantastic. And the theme that I just bought from the Envato Market is the Fairytale Wedding. So I need to install the theme. So how do I do this? I go to, where is it? I think it was appearances, yep, themes, appearance themes. Okay, and I'm going to upload because I've already downloaded the files. Then I want to click on upload theme and then choose file. Okay, and then I'm going to go into my my download and upload the theme, which is that one there. All right, and click on install. And right now it's going up. It's uploading the WordPress theme that I just purchased. And what happens is it uploads it and then it unpacks it and just automatically installs it. So you don't have to do anything. It's just getting integrated into WordPress. So this whole process usually takes about a minute or two, depending on your theme. But let's see what happens. So it's installed the theme. It's unpackaged the package. Installing theme, the theme has installed successfully. Okay, so that's it. So what I want to do now is I want to activate this theme. So just click on activate. All right. So right now it's installed the theme, and next thing I want to click on is activate. Okay, so once I click on activate, and then that's it. So that's pretty much it. So therefore, let's go check it out. So if I go to Fairytale Weddings, fantastic, click on it. And now this is what it looks like. So really cool, isn't it? That's it. So as you can see, all these pictures have been imported, all the content. So all I need to do now is go in and just start putting in bits and pieces into, into the sections as well. And that's pretty much it. So, so that's how you install. That's how you can set up a website really quickly. Set up the domain name, connect to your web hosting, purchase a theme, install it, and then just import the demo content, and then you're good to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and just start plugging in my content, and that's pretty much it. I'm good to go. Set up my contact page, start generating some leads, and then just start getting some clients and customers, close some deals, and let's do it. This actually didn't cost me that much. This theme cost me about $80 USD. The domain name was about $17 Australian, so that's So all up, the total price was probably about just under $100 to set up a website. And I showed you how to do this all in this video. So anyway, hope you like this video on how to set up this website. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel. I've got some lot more amazing content your way that shows you marketing, sales, finance, and so forth. Please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.